The significance of the study is the last part of the introduction in your manuscript. Ito din yung pangalawa dun sa defense natin, sa final defense natin. Please follow the prescribed format, grammar, and complete content. The significance of a study is its importance. It refers to the contribution or contributions of the study on a research field. The significance also signals who benefits from the research findings and how. What is the purpose of writing the significance of a study? A study's significance should spark the interest of the reader. Researchers will be able to appreciate your work better when they understand the relevance and its impact. Make your research problem your starting point. Your problem statement can reveal information about the outcome of your research study and who will benefit from it. The beneficiaries of the study will be the ones mentioned in this part of the research. Begin with an introductory paragraph. How the research can help these beneficiaries are stated in the significance of the study. This is an example of title, significance of the study, and then an introductory paragraph. This study was intended to find the advantages and disadvantages of technology in teaching computer programming. Furthermore, the beneficiaries of this study were the following. You can include your title in the introductory paragraph. First, beneficiary natin, look at the format, indented. And then our first beneficiary, students, written in bold letters. But this word has no connection or it does not continue or connect with the sentence. This research aims to assist students in managing and maintaining a healthy technology use, enabling them to minimize procrastination and study distraction. So, ano yung pakinabang ng mga estudyante dito sa research natin? Yun ang sasabihin natin sa significance. Pagdating naman sa parents, same format, indented, and in plural form. And then, kung kailangan natin i-mention yung parent doon sa sentence, i-mention talaga natin yung parents, hindi they, hindi their, or kung anong word. Let us be specific. O, ganun din sa teachers. The teachers. O kaya, this study assists teachers. Hindi, this study assists them. Hindi ganon. We need to be specific. When mentioning teachers, per se, i-mention mo talaga yung teacher. Hindi their, them, or kung anong mga word na pwedeng i-describe. So, in here, ang beneficiary natin ay teachers. Again, indented, just like a paragraph, and then written in bold letters. And then, sabihin mo kung ano yung mapapakinabang ng teacher dito sa iyong research. Then, number 4, we have the school administrators. O, ganun din. Kung ano yung mapakinabang ng ating school administrator. At saka, pwede siyang, kung ano yung pwede niyang gawin. And lastly, future researchers. Kung paano mapapakinabangan ng mga susunod pang mga researcher itong ating current research. O, yun lang. Tapos na tayo sa significance of the study.